Hi there, I'm Carrie Lawless, and today I have a charming Acadian-style 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in the heart of Covington to show you. This home has so much to offer and the curb appeal is off the charts. Let's go on in and take a look. As you walk into this home, you are met with this giant living room. This is such a great space. There is so much room in here for furniture, for entertaining, and then the first thing you see is this white painted brick fireplace. It is such a charming focal point to walk into. And then there are the 13-foot cathedral ceilings. It's absolutely fantastic. And then, because we're walking into an open floor plan, we're right in the kitchen. So one of the things that's so great about this kitchen is there's so much space for this very large dining table. This beautiful table seats 8 people very comfortably. Then we walk into the completely remodeled kitchen. We've got the quartz countertops, the white shaker cabinetry, and the stainless appliances. It's such a great feel in here. And then we've even got this window that overlooks this beautiful, peaceful backyard. There's also a very large laundry room off of this room with lots of storage. Still so much more to see. Let's keep going. This wonderfully unique 3-bedroom layout features 2 of the bedrooms downstairs, and here is the downstairs bath. It is so neutral, and there's lots of space and lots of light in here. Now, we're stepping into the first of the 2 downstairs bedrooms, and as you can see, there's so much space in here. Plenty of room for a king-size bed, lots of additional furniture. There's a nice-sized closet, and this door right here to my left actually accesses that bathroom as well. Now we're walking into bedroom number 2. Again, plenty of space in here, a nice-sized closet, 2 windows letting in lots of natural light. This is currently being used as an office, but could easily be a nice-sized bedroom. Now we're gonna go upstairs to the primary suite. Okay, now we're upstairs in the primary suite, and this is such a great private retreat, a place to get away from it all. It's got plenty of room. There's a king-size bed right here, tons of natural light flooding in. There are 2 absolutely huge closets. They run the entire length of the wall. Talk about space to put your things. Now we're entering into the ensuite bath, and this has a spacious vanity, even has a dressing area, and then we have the tub and shower combination here. All right, still more to see outside. This is such a great backyard. First of all, it's fully fenced. There's lots of space. This is all shaded, covered in the most beautiful oak trees, and even features a deck for entertaining and relaxing. This is such an amazing house. Make your appointment today. My name is Carrie Lawless.